Former state police officer accused of killing a man last May with his car is asking for his civil case to be paused.
Brian Keely is facing federal charges, both criminal and civil cases, in the death of Samuel Sterling last year in Kentwood.
13 on your side's Callie Lichter spoke to Sterling's family attorney, and she joins us now. Callie.
Lauren, Juliet, the attorney says, well, a pause is pretty typical in these civil cases. It's just another thing making this case harder for the family.
The federal civil case against former state police officer Brian Keely may face a temporary pause due to his ongoing criminal case. Keely is being sued by the estate of Samuel Sterling, who prosecutors say was struck and killed by Keely after being pursued for felony warrants.
This family obviously is a family of color. Their son is of color. And at the time, he was running away with his back toward the car when he was run over and crushed against the side of a building. So, question to them is, what is there to fight about?
Video footage shows Keely pitting Sterling against a Burger King in Kentwood in May 2024, with Sterling dying the same day. On Monday, Keely's attorneys filed a motion to stay the civil suit against him for gross negligence until the criminal side is settled. They say litigating the civil suit before the criminal matter compromises Keely's, quote, right to remain silent in the pending criminal matter. But Sterling's family's attorney, Ben Johnson, says they're going to fight it.
We can take and do things on the case without jeopardizing Keely's Fifth Amendment right to not incriminate himself. So in other words, I don't need his testimony right now to move forward in my case.
Johnson understands they will not get Keely's testimony right now, but they should be able to keep the case moving without it. The case has already moved around, with questions surrounding which court level should handle it, because Keely was on a federal task force at the time of Sterling's death. Ultimately, it was decided Keely was acting as a federal officer, moving the case to federal court. Johnson says all the changes have been hard on the family.
We have to follow the law, and we're going to follow the law all the way through, despite the delays in the family. Obviously, they're confused.
Keely will be back in court on April 21st for an evidentiary hearing.
Keely's evidentiary hearing relates to his ask to dismiss the case, claiming immunity for his role in the special task force. In the newsroom, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.